Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. I hope you have a very nice day today. So I'm going to explain to you on referencing a citation, just a brief one. Okay, I'm not going to take so much time. Alright, so we have two things that we need to know: in-text citation and references. Okay, so what does it mean by in-text citation? In-text citation is in text, in the text. So we cite the author's name in the text. Okay, for example, we take some ideas from certain people, from certain authors. So we can't just make it like it is our own. We have to cite them. Okay, we have to put references, but in the text. So look at the first one. Stephen Hawking, 2013, describes the climate at Oxford while he was studying there as a very anti-work. P33, page 33. So this is what you do if you want to put the citation in the beginning. But if you want to put the citation at the end, that's how you write it. Bracket, Hawking, comma, 2013, full stop, P33. Okay, so this is in-text citation. In the text, all right? Okay, so how about references, madam? References, I think this one is very familiar to all of us. Okay, we found this everywhere. So references, this is how we write it. But some of you might be thinking, where should we put the author's name? Where should we put the year? Right? Okay, I'm going to show you later. So why we should reference? Okay, why? Because if we don't put references or we don't put citation in the in-text, we will be considered as plagiarizing. Okay, we can't take someone else's ideas and we make it like it is ours. It is wrong. Okay, everyone? Alright, so we will be learning about APA and IEEE this semester. So APA is actually a very common used one, but IEEE it's for engineering. Okay, so APA style, American Psychological Association. We're going to use this APA style for my assignment, okay, especially for poster. APA style, it's for in-text citation first. Let's see, we have one single author. So let's say Ginsberg, 2014, posited the use of computer-aided simulations do not provide observational data. So if you want to put it in the beginning, that's how you write it. If you want to put it in the end, that's how you write it, like Zhang, 2017. This is in the text citation, okay? We are looking at A now. A, works by single author. Okay, now let's look at B. Works by two authors. Chambers and Carbonaro, 2013, mentioned that, blah, blah, blah. Or, if you want to put it in the end, Bransford and Liu, 2015. Okay, so works by two authors. What if we have more than two authors or maybe more authors? Okay, so this is how we write it. We just write the first author. So Abdul Khalid, ETAL, 2019, and then blah, blah, blah. This is in-text citation if you have three or more authors, okay? So let's look at next, yada, yada, yada. Okay, quoting. So short quotation and long quotation. Okay, so short quotation, meaning quote. Okay, quote is when you do not paraphrase. You just take whatever things. Okay, it's a direct quotations. Okay, direct quotation, meaning you don't paraphrase. You take it from the author directly. Okay, so long quotation should be like this. Look at the bold one, the bold one, the bold one. Okay. And then paraphrasing. Okay, paraphrasing is when we change some of the words or maybe we change the sentence structure. How do we do it? Let me show you. Okay, for example, like this one. We rearrange or we change the word order or sentence structure. Okay, although the weather is good, Faris is in a bad mood. Okay, Faris is in a bad mood even though the weather is good. So this one we rearrange, or sometimes we change the words into its synonyms. Okay, so this is what we call paraphrasing. Okay, synthesizing. Synthesizing is when we have more ideas, but they are basically the same. Sorry, one idea by many authors, but they are the same idea. So how do we cite it? Okay, we do like this. Contemporary second language writing theorists such as Grape and Kaplan 1996, Kroll 2001, and Silva 1990 pointed out that. So basically, 4 of them pointed out the same thing. So this is how we do it, okay? This is in text, okay? In the text. Now, let's look at reference list, APA style. Okay, for books, format for books. So this is a format for books. So please refer to these all slides, okay? If you want to put references and in-text citation in your poster. Okay, so these are for books, okay? And then books, article of chapter in edited books. Okay, articles. Articles in print journal, hard copy, hard copy. Article in electronic journal. Electronic journal meaning online, okay? So you need to have the DOI. The DOI, normally if you go to Google Scholar, most of the articles, they have the DOI, okay? So article in magazine, all right? Article in magazine, article in newspaper, okay? The newspaper. This one, other printed sources, printed hard copy, okay? I think this one is very familiar to us, very close to us, the one that we always use, electronic sources. Okay, the first one is web page or website. I found that most of you, you found articles, right? Articles, and some of you use websites. Okay, so this is how you cite it. This is how you do references. Wikipedia, I don't prefer Wikipedia, so let's skip it. Electronic books. Okay, so books that you found online. Okay, online news. Okay, the one that you got from the news. Reference list in APA citation. So please refer to these if you don't know how to cite the names. All right, let's move to the next one. IEEE style. This is actually used by engineering. IEEE style, they do not write the authors or date of publication in the text. However, they use numbering. Okay, how? For example, like this. Number 1 stated. You'll be thinking, number 1? Who is number 1? Don't worry, everyone. The author's name, they will put it in the references. Okay, let me show you. Number 1. The number 1 is B. Claus and P. Horn. It's about robot vision, Cambridge, MA, MIT Press, 1986. Okay, so IEEE style, they don't put the author's name in the text. Okay, for in-text citation, they don't put the author's name, the year. They just put numbering like this. Look. Okay, so if you want to refer, who said this? So you go to reference, you go to reference list, then you know who is number 1, who is number 2, who is number 3. This is IEEE style. However, for my assignment poster, we're going to use APA style. Okay, APA style. So that's all. If you have any questions, please don't be shy. Okay, ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day, everyone. Assalamualaikum.